Here are the top 5 places for kids to visit in Singapore. At number 5, the Sentosa Beaches. The kids will surely enjoy the white sands, the blue clear waters and play around the inflatable island. You can also cross the hanging bridge and enjoy the other island as well.
Stay on the left train. Train, stay on the left train.
Please, Papa. Everybody go to the left.
Yeah. Even do with all the seaweed. You okay, Papa?
Oh, wait, I can see the water
Of course.
below the bridge.
Careful, babe.
Now you can go to the left.
The view of Palawan Beach. The harbor right there. All the way up. Train. You're so fast, train. You're so fast, train. Oh, look at that. Of course. You can see the harbor from here.
I can see the rock.
See the rocks. So beautiful, eh? You like it, eh?
Oh, look at that. Is that a jet or a plane?
I don't know what plane is that.
Just an add-on guys, near the Sentosa Beaches, if you have extra money you can enjoy the Wings of Time and Skyline Luge Singapore.
Ooh.
At number 4, ArtScience Museum. This place is very easy to find. It is just located near Marina Bay Sands. Inside, you can see cool futuristic lights, cool indoor playgrounds and futuristic drawing that will come to life into the cool projector screen.
And we can also draw.
You can also draw?
Yeah. Come on.
Interactive game for kids. I love, love, love. Love, love, love rain. I love, love, love your rain.
number 3, Science Center Singapore. Location Jurong East. In this place, you can really feel the science of life. The kids will enjoy how engineers create something through science. You can also see here an amazing semicircle cinematic screen. They call it Omni Theater.
Hello, you're yun, power eh.
Let's go with baby boy.
Oh, bow down, oh.
Future makers. Jacob's ladder. Lock ka. Yawa na ito. Kulitingan na nito.
You go inside.
Butterfly. Okay.
Okay, guys. You here.
I like the pink one.
Ito, rin. Ito, rin.
Oh, there. In the TV. Evolution, mutation.
Lupat na boy. Lupat. Na, full battery ah. Ang gawil.
The word engineer comes from the same Latin word that gave us ingenious, ingenuity, and genius. Of course, you do not need to be a genius to be an engineer, but you just have to enjoy solving problems and be picky about looking after the details. Actually, that is something we all do intuitively, right from when we were kids. Define the problem.
What's this?
Oh, look, you're in the poop area.
Very careful na kid baby rin. Sukat. What's this? Whoa. So we're here now in dialogue time. Embrace aging. Oh, embrace aging.
Come from.
Standing on the side of this mountain, you can understand why it was named Cerro Tololo.
At number 2, Singapore Zoo, River Wonders, Night Safari. This place is very famous in Singapore, especially for kids. The place is quite far though. The kids will surely enjoy watching the different kinds of animals from Land. You can also see different kinds of show. The kids will love it.
Hi, white tiger. Go pa-picture dyan, pa-picture. Picture si white tiger, guys.
I think it's the
Mas weird, yun yung lubot ko.
Oh, look at them closer, guys. So big.
Look at their eyes. The eyes is just
Palayo na pag-abot na to. Next, guys, is the Raptopia. Let's go.
Oh, what kind of lizard is this, guys?
Lilihaw ko siya. Hi! Say hi, say hi. Oh, you're so big. first time to see frog.
At number 1, of course the ever-famous Universal Studios Singapore. I think no need to explain everything. This the trademark for Singapore for kids to enjoy so much. The only cons is the long queue. Famous rides will wait for 1 to 1.5 hours.
Okay, one more. Okay.
I'm not, okay? I don't like to trust you.
Oh no, the castle was broken maybe.
Bumblebee.
Thank you, recruits, and good luck. I sincerely hope that one day we get the chance.
Wow. Hi. Hello. What's the name? Elmo.
That's all for the top 5 places for kids to visit here in Singapore. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cool, fun and tips for our travel. Like and subscribe.